If you have been following news and stories coming out of Enugu, especially ever since this current administration took over office, you'll be familiar with the new Enugu City project. This project cut across 5 local government areas of the state, including Enugu North, Enugu South, Enugu East, Nkanu East, and Nkanu West. On my way to a community in Nkanu East local government area of Enugu State with my team, I decided to do a capture on the go where I take pictures and videos of anything that caught my attention. Our community lies along Enugu Abakriki Road and one of the host communities for the new Enugu City. If you are not a frequent user of this road, you might be surprised at the level of work that has gone on this road in the last couple of months, especially around the Nala Triangle axis of the road. One of the first things that caught our attention while on this road is the dualization of the Enugu Abakriki Road, which has been going on for a while now. Like I said, the first thing you are going to notice while on this road is the current dualization of the road. The second being the construction work going on at the PRODA junction that leads to the new Enugu City. The new Enugu City can be accessed through different routes, one from the PRODA junction, another one through Owo, and another one through Independent Layout Phase 2 and a few other places. At the Enugu junction, you will notice the construction of the flyover going on currently at the junction, and the work is progressing really fast. On getting to a junction, you will notice that the road that leads to the community and that of the new Enugu City has been tarred from the Abakriki Road down to the village, while almost, if not all, the land on both sides of the road are proposed site for one project or another. Upon getting to the community, we first did a drive around before taking a drone shot of the community and that of the new Enugu City and its environs. While moving around, I noticed that nothing seems to be going on this other section of the new Enugu City. Although work hasn't really started on the site, but road construction and access road creation seems to be going on other sections, especially the PRODA section and the independent layout phase 2 section of the new Enugu City. While driving back to the city, noticed this asphalt plant along the road. Although I do not know who owns it, but I'm guessing it belongs to Enugu State government. It might be this recently commissioned asphalt plant owned by the state government. So I decided to take a drone shot of it. Like I said, I'm doing picture on the go and video on the go. So whatever thing that caught my attention, I take a picture of it and move on. On our way back, we made a stop at the PRODA section of the new Enugu City. As you can see, work is currently going on, road construction work is going on. We drove around to see the extent of work that has been done on this section of the new Enugu City. We visited the section where bridge construction is currently going on and did a short drone video of the place before leaving for the independent layout phase 2 section of the new Enugu. So this is what it looked like from above. On leaving the PRODA section of the new Enugu City, we also went to the independent layout section of the new Enugu City to check out what is going on there, and this is what the place looks like currently. So this is what the new Enugu City currently looks like. Although all these places we're showing you are all on the outskirts of the city, work has not commenced on the inner section of the city, but as it progresses, we will continue to drive around to show you what is going on in the place and the state of development in the new city. See you guys next time.
Yeah, I think I saw that. I come with here now. I said I not the response.